Day 24 of 3D printing every day for 365 days straight for friends, family, function, and fun. Today is day number 4 of the Toys and Fidget series. Today, I printed a batch of 9 spinning tops. I used the profile that was labeled more weight, more spin, more fun, because who doesn't want more fun? I also for the first time utilized the layer of Bambu Lab support filament as the interface between the support and the model. It made the removal of the support so easy. These tops are so fun to spin, and all my kids love playing with them. Today's print took 10 hours and 36 minutes and cost $2.11.